This is one of our Palm Beach designs that's built up in Ruakaka, just south of Whangarei in New Zealand. Got a beautiful oceanside location here, and that's why it's perfect to have what we call an upside down house. We've got all the kitchen and living areas on the upper level. Pretty amazing views, and it's got this great big cantilevered veranda which is underneath the main roof line. So this is a step down to the veranda across the front, which is on the upper level. It's about a 400 square metre house in total. And it's got the master bedroom here with the ensuite and walk-in robe. And then down this end it's got all the living areas with big stacking sliding doors across the front. And then downstairs it's got another 3 bedrooms.